Welcome Blue Star students, good morning to all. Today we are going to continue the exercise 3.3 using the properties of parallelogram. Now question number 5, it's a 5 mark. Question number 5, the measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. See the question. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so two adjacent angles oda ratio oda kuduthirukanga. Find the measure of each of angles of the parallelogram. So ratio value is given. We are going to, using that we are going to find the measurement of each angle of a parallelogram. Okay, so the diagram is not given. We only draw a diagram. Draw one rough parallelogram. You all know parallelogram. Two sides, so opposite sides are parallel in a parallelogram. This is the diagram of parallelogram. Arc it is A, B, C, D. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Okay, now we will consider, let A, B, C, D be a given parallelogram. Okay, be a given parallelogram. Okay, now let us take the ratio is 3:2. Okay, so we will write, let A, angle A is equal to, first part is ratio, in the ratio first part is 3. Okay, so I am writing 3x. Okay, now angle B is equal to 2x. Okay, using that we are find the value of x and find out. Okay, so using the property, which property is used here? Two angles are adjacent. So which property? Since the sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degree. Okay, using that, so this angle A plus angle B is equal, first write angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. Is it correct? So measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degree. Using this property, adjacent angle of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Okay, now angle A value is 3x plus angle B is 2x is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x is 5x is equal to 180 degree. So x value is x equal to 180 degree. This 5 comes to the denominator, divided by 5. Okay, cancel this. 1 5 is 5. 3 5s are 15. Remaining 3 30. 6 5s are 30. So x is equal to 36 degree. Okay, so angle x is equal to 36 degree. So using this we find the value of angle A and angle B. Okay, so angle A is equal to 3x. 3x means 3 into x, that is equal to 3 into 36 degree. Okay, 36 into 3, multiply and write the value. 36 degree, 36 3 6 are 18. Remaining 1, 3 3 is 9, 108. So 108 degree. Okay, 108 degree. Next, angle B is equal to what is that? 2x. Okay, so write 2x is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2 into 36 degree. 236 is 72 degree. Okay. So angle A plus angle A is 108 degree and angle B is 72 degree. Now we are going to find the remaining angles C and D. Okay. So using the property opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So that angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is what? 108 degree. Angle B is equal to angle D. So 72 degree. Angle D is 72 degree. Okay. Now write the property. Which property? Opposite angles are in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay. So now the opposite angle is, what are opposite angle here? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. That is equal to, angle A is 108 degree. So now angle B is equal to angle D. This also 72 degree. Okay. So we find the 4 angles also. So this is angle A. Measurement of அப்படின்றது mention பண்ணோம். Okay. So we find angle A and angle C are 108 degree. Angle B and angle D are 72 degree. Okay. Now the next question is question number 7. The given figure hope, H-O-P-E, hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures X, Y and Z. State the properties you use to find them. So you should know all the properties of a parallelogram. You know the properties, you can easily use the property and find the values, find the angles of the given sum. Okay. So this is a parallelogram hope. H. This is H-O-P-E. Okay. Here this angle is 70 degree. This is Y. Here X. This is 40 degree. This angle is called Z. Okay. So now we are going to find the angle of X, Y and Z using this 40 degree and 70 degree. Okay. Now the first step we write. See the question, the diagram is given in this question. Okay. The given figure, the figure is given in this question. So solution Y is equal to, see this Y and 40 degree are alternate interior angles. Okay, so alternate angles. Alternate means opposite, Y and 40 degree. So Y angle is equal to 40 degree. So you write the reason, alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Okay. Now, so Y find out பண்ணிட்டோம். Next we are going to find the remaining values. See, using the 70 degree, how can we use that அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா 70 degree is equal to, listen carefully, Z plus Y. What is that? எப்படி 70 degree is equal to Z plus Y? அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணுறோன்னா one property is there, exterior property of a triangle. Exterior property of a triangle. See, I will explain that. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. Okay, you learned this in your 7th standard. So in a triangle, in exterior angle, it's a triangle. See, this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Okay, in the two angles add பண்ணும்போது we get the opposite exterior angle. Okay, this exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. That is very important. See here, அப்போ இங்கே வருது exterior angle. How can we find it? Using this and this. Okay, these are the two opposite angles. So the add பண்ணோம்னா we get the exterior angle. Okay, so 70 degree is equal to z plus y. Using this we are going to find the value of z. Okay, so 70 degree is equal to z plus y is what? 40 degree. So 70 degree minus this 40 comes to the left hand side, that is minus 40 degree is equal to z. 70 minus 40 is 30 degree is equal to z. So z value is 30 degree. Okay, so y is 40 degree and z is 30 degree. Next we are going to find the angle x. Okay, so in x, see, okay, now we are going to find the angle of x. Okay, so how can we find that this x and this angle is opposite? These two angles are opposite, that is angle O is equal to angle E. Both are opposite, so that the angles are equal. Okay, so now we want to find this interior angle. Okay, so now this angle O, in angle POHC, POH, we are going to find this angle, so that I am writing POH is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. See, it's a linear pair, so 180 minus 70, I am writing here, we want to find this value, so I am writing 180 minus this 70, so we got 110. Okay, so this is the reason is linear pair. Linear pair. Okay, now so this is angle POH is equal to what? This POH is equal to x and write பண்ணலாமா? So x equal to 110 degree. Okay, thus we find all the values. Thus x is equal to 110 degree, y equal to 40 degree, then z equal to 30 degree. These are the angles we find out. Okay, now question number 11. Find angle C in given figure if AB parallel to DC. Okay, so now draw the diagram. So this is a diagram. Using this diagram we are going to find the angle C. Okay, A, B, C, D. Here 120 degree, angle B is 120 degree. We are going to find the angle C. Okay, the given statement is AB. This AB is parallel to DC. Okay, in a parallelogram this AB is parallel to DC அப்படின்றது வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, using this we are going to find the angle C. Okay, now what is given? Given AB, side AB is parallel to DC. Okay, so using the property sum of two adjacent angles. Because B, we know the angle of B, we are going to find the angle C. Okay, அப்போ angle C வேணும்னா this B and C are adjacent angles. Okay, so that the sum of the adjacent angle is supplementary. Apply பண்ணி we find out the angle C. Okay, adjacent interior angle. Angles is 180 degree. Okay, so now write that is therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We all know the angle B is 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 180 degree minus 120. This plus comes to a right side, that is minus. So 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. That only they are asking. Find angle C in the given figure. Okay, so we find out this angle C is 60 degree. Okay, now your homework part in 8th. So you are going to find x, y. 8th first subdivision is your homework. Find x and y. Okay, so I draw the diagram. This is the diagram of the given question. G U N S. Okay, 3y minus 1. 18, 26, 3x. Okay, how can we find out this values of x and y அப்படின்னா, we all know the property opposite. Here all the sides are given in this parallelogram. Okay, so all the opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram using that property. These GU and SN are opposite sides. Okay, so these are equal. GU is equal to SN. Okay, so that is what is GU value. 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. We know that how to solve this equation to தெரியல. This minus 1 comes to the right side, so 27 ஆயிடும். Then 3 divide ஆயிடும். You find the value of y. Okay, next one, these two sides are equal, so SG is equal to NU. SG is what? 3x is equal to 18. So we find the value of x. Okay, 3 comes to division, so we find the value of x. So x and y find out பண்ணலாம். This property is what? Opposite sides are equal. Using that property you will find the solution of the given question. Okay, this is your homework. You do this homework in your homework note. Okay, thank you students.